Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you link Revolut to your PayPal. So firstly, open up your PayPal, log into your PayPal account. So once you've already logged into your PayPal account, so what you can do here is go to your wallet tab here. So click on wallet. So once you're on your wallet tab here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on the option on your top left here, link a bank account. So click on it. So once you click on link a bank account here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the account type that you want to add, and then all you have to do now here is just plug in the account details of your Revolt account. So if you go to your Revolt account, and you will be able to get your account number and all those details. Just plug that in, and then click on link, agree, and link, and that will link your Revolt account to your PayPal. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.